Hairdresser Amy, always in stylist mode, encounters a police stop while engrossed in planning salon appointments. She humorously shifts the situation into a conversation about hairstyles and current bookings with Officer Sam. Bewildered yet amused, Sam gently steers the focus back, highlighting Amy's Miranda rights, emphasizing the importance of remaining silent and asking for an attorney. The script captures a uniquely humorous scene within the salon context, emphasizing the serious need for legal awareness. Through Amy's hairstyling tangent, viewers are reminded of their rights in real-life encounters, blending humor with practical legal guidance.